In this video, I will show you how to get more apps on your LG Web OS Smart TV. Now, this is done by changing the service location of your LG Smart TV. Now, over here, I have my 32-inch LG Web OS Smart TV, but it doesn't matter the size or model of LG Smart TV you have. If you want to be able to access more apps from different regions that you would typically not be able to access from the default region set on your LG Smart TV, this video will guide you to get more apps on the TV. Now, to do this, basically you want to head over to the settings of your LG Smart TV. So go ahead and press on the settings button, and then from there you just want to scroll down to the general settings over here. Go ahead and open up the general settings of your LG Smart TV. Now come over to general and then scroll over to the right hand side, then scroll downwards until you get to the system settings over here. Select system settings and then come over to location, select it, and from here you can now choose the region where you want all of the apps on your LG Smart TV to come from. Now take for instance, I can go ahead and select this service location option. Now instead of set automatically, I'm going to uncheck that and then scroll down and select the country I want. Now take for instance, I can go ahead and select South Africa over here, and by clicking on the yes button, this will restart my LG Smart TV and give me all of the apps that will naturally be available for LG users in South Africa. So you can go ahead and do this for any countries. Take for instance the United States, the United Kingdom, just to be able to access the applications that are available to that region on your LG Smart TV. Now once you click on the yes button, your LG Smart TV will automatically restart itself. And once the TV restarts itself, go ahead and press on the home button, and at this point you're going to find out that the apps that will now be available for you on your LG Smart TV are going to be apps that are made available in that particular region that you have chosen. Now what you just want to do is to scroll over to the top and click on the user agreement, so you can actually agree with the laws of that particular region. Click on more and then click on I agree. And as you can see at the top, we can now access some of the apps that are exclusive to people in South Africa. So you can come over to your app store now, open up the app store and get even more applications that you will typically not be able to access from your region on your LG Smart TV. As you can see, I now have more applications to download and install on my TV. You can literally see the Disney Plus app. So it's actually not in the TV before, but now I have it. There is also the Apple TV app as well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.